buttons on the ThermNight 4K 219R. Up top, we have the power button. A long press of the power button will turn your unit on. When your unit is on, it'll be indicated by the blue light here. Another long press will turn your unit off. Short press of the power button will put your unit in standby mode. That will be indicated by an amber light. Below the power button, we have your menu button. A short press of the menu button will cycle through your reticle colors. A long press will enter into your main menu. When in the menu, these 4 buttons work like a TV remote. The menu button will move you up in the settings. The record button will move you down in the settings. The picture-in-picture will allow you to select, and the day and night button will allow you to cancel and go back and back out of the menu. A double press of the menu button will toggle your thermal zoom lock on or off. To the left, we have the day and night button. A short press, and the day and night button in day and night mode will cycle through your IR brightness. When in your thermal mode, it'll cycle through your thermal color palettes. A long press of the day-night button when in day and night mode will switch between day or night mode. And then whenever you are in thermal mode, a long press will perform a manual nuke. On the right side, we have your picture-in-picture button. A short press of the picture-in-picture button will cycle through your screen brightnesses, starting at 1 and going up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then back to 1. A long press will toggle on your picture-in-picture. Another long press will toggle off your picture-in-picture. Then a double press will cycle thermal imaging modes between natural, enhanced, and highlight. Then lastly, here on the bottom, we have your record button. A short press of the record button will start your recording, and then another short press will stop recording. A long press of the record button will perform manual recoil activated video. Starting in the front here on the ThermNight 4K 219R, your main objective lens focus is going to be your day and night focus ring. Rotate this for optimal focus of your day and night channel. Up top, with the throw lever, we have your thermal focus ring. Rotate this for optimal focus in your thermal channel. On the left side, we have the IR focus ring. Rotate to focus or disperse your IR illumination beam. Here we have the LRF or laser rangefinding button. Press this button to trigger the laser rangefinder and your ballistic calculator. Behind that, we have the channel switch button. Press to switch between the thermal and the digital day and night channels. On the rear, with the throw lever, we have your zoom ring. Rotate to zoom in and out, with left being your widest field of view and your least zoom in, and then all the way to the right for your max magnification. And lastly, here on the rear, we have your ocular focus ring. Adjust this to adjust how sharp the display screen is inside of your unit, and adjust this for your eye. And on the opposite side of the unit, we have a USB-C data transfer port. Use this to install new firmware updates or download photos and videos from your unit.